Guys, big news coming from Clubhouse. Clubhouse is not exclusive to iPhone users anymore. The hottest social media app based on audio, which debuted on iOS first, is now available to Android users as well. But there's a catch, and a big one. After more than a year of being available on iOS, Clubhouse will soon be available for download by Android users. But it's only available in the beta version. The beta version of the app is available only, and that too to users in the United States. After the United States, the app will move to other English-speaking countries with the beta version, ताकि जो भी improvements करनी है लोगों के feedback से वो कर सके, and then finally it will be launched in other countries. Now what to do if you're India-based? Well, अगर आप एक potential user हैं जो wait नहीं कर सकते Clubhouse को use करने के लिए, you can pre-register for the app by searching for it in your Google Play Store. उसके बाद आप उसे डाउनलोड तो कर सकते हैं, but the app won't work. You will be asked to register for it. आप उस पे pre-register कर सकते हैं, and you will be notified as soon as it reaches India. Also, for the time being, the invite-only model for the app will continue. Clubhouse, the app valued at $4 billion, has been world famous ever since it launched. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Ashton Kutcher, all of them tweeted about it, even Mark Zuckerberg. Now, interest और भी बढ़ गया जब ये पता लगा कि access to this app was restricted. आपको ऐप तभी मिल सकती थी अगर आपको किसी ने इनवाइट भेजा है या फिर आप iOS प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो. Now more and more platforms like Twitter and Facebook are experimenting with similar audio-based social media platforms. तो ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि जब Clubhouse इंडिया में आएगा तो उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी उतनी ही बड़ी रहेगी या Facebook और Twitter जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स आगे निकल जाएंगे. All of these things will be certainly interesting to watch. So tell us, which audio-based platform do you use, and are you excited for Clubhouse?